Still young. Are you massaging on the back side?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
I have my finger right here. Like, that's like the T4 vertebrae. I have like my finger right on, like the TVP of it. And like bringing the shoulder down so it's not like
Uh-huh.